Hi guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I hope that you guys are doing well. If you guys do not know, my name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe to my channel. I try doing these videos as often as It Cosmetics allows me to do them. It Cosmetics does send me these products to go over and review for you guys, and so I'm really thankful for that, and I try doing these as frequently as I can because I know that a lot of you guys like watching these. But today's video is going to be all about the November Today Special Value between It Cosmetics and QVC. They do these all the time and it's always an amazing deal. I'm going to tell you right now that I do not know the prices. I will leave what I do know in the description box below. I know that at the time that I'm filming this, the pre-orders have already went live because I've been so busy, but the actual launch of it will be later this week, so I will leave all the information I can in the description box below for you guys to check out if you would like to purchase this. I know that I'm speaking fast. I'm going to try to slow it down. So if you guys want to know what's in the Today Special Value for November, then go ahead and keep watching. So I've already opened this, and right now my phone is in the other room charging, so I do not know the specifics on this collection, but I will try to put them either in when I'm editing, or I will try to leave them up on the screen or in the description box below, whatever works and whatever I can find out to work. I'm just going to be going over the products with you, and all the details of the pricing will be down in the description. So the first thing that you are going to be getting in Today's Special Value is the Bye Bye Pores Blush. This is in the shade Love, which is a natural soft pink. For some reason, these boxes are insanely hard for me to open. I love the packaging of these. I'm looking at it in the review mirror right now. It's so pretty. And then this is the actual color of the blush. I will swatch it for you. That's what it looks like. It is a very nice natural color, super cute, really like that. The packaging on these is just super nice, and I love It Cosmetics. I love all It Cosmetics products. I'm going to probably say that for all of them, but that is a really pretty color. So that again is the blush. Now this next product I believe is a new product, and it comes with a brush too, which is super exciting. And the package on this, when I opened it, I fell in love. It's so luxurious. Do you guys see how pretty that is? This is called the Hello Cheekbones, and this is a matte bronzer and highlighting contour duo, which ironic that they sent me this because I literally just broke my It Cosmetics bronzer, which was my favorite thing in the world while traveling, and I'm super bummed about it. So I'm excited to have this, but that's what those look like. Super pretty. I will swatch both of them for you. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. That's the bronzer and the highlighters right there. Super pretty, and then it comes with a huge mirror at the bottom. The packaging on this is just super nice. It's the Love highlighter and matte bronzer, and I don't know if these come based on your skin tone. I would assume so, but I'm not sure. Like I said, my cell phone's dead in the other room charging. So this is the brush that comes with it, and this is called the Heavenly Luxe Hello Cheekbones Contour. This side right here is for your highlighter. This side right here is for your contour, and it's made so that you can just swipe it with that and then swipe it on your face. Their brushes are just so soft. If you've never felt an It Cosmetics brush, go into Ulta, feel the brushes there. They're so soft, so nice quality, just really nice. So I think that's cute. I don't like how small that is because it's going to get lost in my other brushes, but it is neat that it is paired perfectly for that, so you can just bring that with you if you travel a lot like I do. I don't travel a lot, what am I saying? This accidentally just fell out on the floor because I'd already opened it, but this is their mascara. I've had this, I'm actually wearing it now. I love it, it's super good. It's the Superhero Mascara. If you guys haven't tried this, definitely go out and try it. It's really amazing, so it's cool that they put that in the special value as well. They also sent another brush here. This is the Heavenly Luxe Buffering Foundation Brush. This one feels like a better quality. Like, I don't know if they switched the way that they make these, but this one feels really nice and sturdy and heavy in my hand. And of course it's super soft, and I love brushes like this because I use it to blend out my foundation around my neck and then apply like my setting powder. Super great for that, so that's probably going to be a new favorite of mine. The next thing in here is the Je ne sais quoi Hydrating Color Awakening Lip Treatment Serum in the shade Love Amour. And guys, I'm going to be blatantly honest with you. I don't normally like these. Like, I'm not normally drawn to these. But the color of this, I wish I could show you, is beautiful. It's like an iridescent, like purpley, pinky color. Very pretty. And I'm super excited to give this a go and try it out because the color of it looks super super amazing. And the last thing is something that I have not tried yet, but something I'm super excited to, and that is the Bye Bye foundation. This is, I think, a newer product for them, and I haven't got my hands on it yet, but that's what it looks like. And they sent me this in the shade of light, I believe, which is what I've currently been wearing. I go back and forth between light and fair, but I really love their CC cream, so I'm excited to give this a try because their CC cream is what I wear every single day. It's amazing, and I love that they include the SPF in it because it's super great for your skin without being another step to add on to. I love that they do that. So that was it for the today's special value products. If you guys have any questions, check the description box below and then leave a comment if it's not answered in the description box, because like I said, my phone right now is dead and it's in the other room charging, and that has the email that has all the questions that should be, it has all the answers to the questions that would possibly be asked. So make sure you check that before you leave any comments, and I will reply to your comments if you have any questions. Let me know if you guys are going to be getting this and what you think of the today's special value. I think that they're amazing, and I'm really excited to give that Bye Bye foundation a try because I'm super in love with the CC cream, like I said. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!